I'm from San Max. Here the full video of my DIY full adventure bike. I completed last night and I didn't sleep at all. I painted, I added some components, I put the racks, I put provisory stuff only for making the video because the stuff of the bike is arriving. I don't have it. I just take something to make you an idea how it will look the bike. So we start from the frame. Before was a black matte frame, and I just painted. I painted and I made this decoration like it seems, kind of ruin stuff, the Santa Cruz brand, but ruined up, here and also in the other part. Also, I put this decoration also, and also this protect the frame. I painted the frame with a spray pellicule, so it's a film, spray film, okay? So it's not paint, it's film. It's for kind of protection of the flame, but it looks good, and also is more easy, it's more easy to do. So I added the front rack to the suspension with this special stuff, and it fit perfectly. I add this bell and put this light. It's not the definitely light, but just for show. This is more a backup light to put on the quick relays, because it make front and also rear light. So we can see SLX Shimano we have here. We have the bicycle double piston, the brakes. The disc brake is from TRP, very cool disc brake. Chris give to me, very nice. Meroca 35 channel, 27.5 wheels, quick release system, very nice, very nice. So we have mint tires, these white mint tires, they are looking very good, and also they are quite good on the street and off-road. They are quite soft, so maybe they don't long too much, Violet grips. This is a kind of H-bar from White Lab. We have the stem from Zoom. Is okay, yeah. B-sole. First things I will change. This B-sole bag, I will put something matching better with the color. We are in the front. We have a really cool bag. The name is We Rocker, and it fits with the bike, you see, perfectly. Because these underwear sometimes have difficulty to keep some bags, and also we have the cable. And in this case, the cable keep the bag in place, and also we have this attachment, make it fit perfectly. Also, we have this rack can fit pannier. We already had two couple of yellow pannier. They fit pretty nice with this bike. Look pedal, racework crankset with Holotech, DNM R suspension, and Suntour Epixon suspension in the front. Here we have the block of the suspension and the block of the suspension for here, the rear one. The light is LED light. Here we have the dropper. Another things I will change, because I will put a dropper. I have the possibility to adjust the line, of the saddle, because this is a drop for downhill, so you cannot adjust it. Okay, we have this decoration. You can see In the rear you have the SLX, I already told to you. Oh, this rack is a really interesting rack from Thule, okay, Thule, and is quite nice rack. You can fit this rack in any bike practically. It has a proprietary things to keep in place, so you need a special key, and if you lose it, it will be a hell because you cannot disinstall this stuff. But just put it in a safe place, and the rack is perfectly for full bike, because you cannot put a normal rack on a full, and this is perfect for this purpose. Also, we have a Rhino Walk here, waterproof bag, really cool. So, let me know what you think about this bike. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I remember to you, every time you see a video, watch the playlist. For sure you can find something really interesting for you. Thank you so much, and bye-bye from Sandmax. See you.